Just realized I haven't been using keywords at all. My branding sucks. My business management skills aren't much better either. Live coding artificial intelligence. Savannah import agent really sucks because really hoping to be able to call this to class thing, but we're not gonna be able to do that. So let's just get rid of these. Which should break. Now it works. Oh, that's interesting. So they can't go onto these spots, or they're being drawn from there. I don't know, but now we are actually drawing the whole grid. We draw the grid. What happens when we just draw the cell? Set changes size during iteration. Unit B. Yeah, it should. Oh, let's say resolved equals a set. And then we will say, let's try that. Okay, well, we are seeing movement, but we're not seeing it at the cellular level. The okay, this deduplicates those sets. So let's add a little bit of commentary here. This iterates through the number of agents markets and generates a set of each type. This iterates through a generated set of units and checks for duplicate indexes. So this needs to it's interesting that that actually worked without returning anything new, but um Okay. This doesn't. Oh, we do actually need the available cells, so that's why we're using this. And then once we have these markets, we need to say for agent and agent. We actually want to say so we do need to do these consecutively or asynchronously. Actually, I don't know if this is synchronized or not synchronized. I think it depends on how you look at it, but and then we'll just say for unit and unit set while not self-available. And then we just call self and place units, markets, and homes. And we're like triple deduplicating, so we actually can get rid of this whole thing. There's no need for that. We can just call this now. I mean, technically we could call the other one, but at some point we've got to deconstruct it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna git add, git commit free dedupe place. I pushed it up that way we can actually just delete these. I actually like this a lot better. We'll actually make unit copy equals deep copy of unit set. And then we will return the unit copy. And then this way we can say self.agents equals. And we'll just do the same for the rest of these. Or we can do it this way actually. And then we can return agents, markets, and homes. And then this way when we actually do this populate function, it actually should return them all. Hey, look at that. We actually have a grid now. So when we do the grid and we update for agent and update, if agent and type in male, female, if what happens when they go to work? Does an agent ID, when we update its position, its ID doesn't update? So we're like, we started an index, and that index changes. But we can't depend on that if only a single cell can exist at an index. If the agent index I don't know if these functions exist. Work log so to determine if we are working or hungry. Determine if we are broke or hungry. Oh, so the market, didn't we have an exchange? Then we could say we need to determine hungry, working, broke, or eating or buying food. How can the index be out of range if there is no index function? Find index self. So you know what this is? This is the string for this agent. Or is that for the unit? Hmm. Type of target. Oh yeah. So let's narrow this thing down some now that we've got some functionality. Let's see if we can get... We want the population to be 2. We want the number of houses to be 1. We want the number of jobs to be 1. And then for agents, just so we can say... I feel like we're missing something. Where do we instantiate these on the grid? We create an agent. Where do we determine if it's a male or female? If it's a unit type, then we pass in a unit type, but we don't do that. I don't even know how my own program works now. Generates a set and then attempts to deduplicate. All we give is a type. All we give is an index. So we do this for number generations. We go to the azimuth. We give a random choice of 1 male or female. I wonder if we can say gender count equals 0. And then we say unit type male. If gender count modulus 2 else female, then we say gender count plus 1, we just add 1. Oh, it would always be I don't know how it's not defined. I don't know how to use globals, damn it. Hmm. Pull up some tunes. Also, I need to turn off that dang light. It's blocking. Okay. Okay, so we actually have to declare it here. So I failed to declare it, so that is right. I did not define it. Okay, let's work on our targeting system now, because I was wanting to make sure these things could find their way to a target. And that we can throttle the randomness to appropriate level, because they need to refocus. They need to refocus. They need to lose focus, but they also need to refocus. They need to remember why they're there, but be thinking about doing something else. Seeing these things come to life has been really cool. We're like way ahead over here, way more than we need to be. I should be using this more places than I am, but I'm not. Main. When we run. I don't like the way these are really set up right now, but okay, so when we select it, now that I think about it, I actually don't know how the agents are moving. Like when they move, I don't know how a previous one automatically fills in. I would think that it would have left a whole line of them. Because I don't know. Their index doesn't change. Let's see. So if we go to main, we go to update, draw, society draws GUI, and update society. Oh yeah, I was gonna say, what happens if we set the settings to where the initial energy is 100? me just say self-grid equals. Oh, that's even better. Oh, it's so dope. So dope.
弱い者にここにいる資格はない。力のない者は切り捨てるべきだ。それができぬ者は死ぬ。
last time I took a road trip? How many national parks could I hit in 2 weeks? What about hotels? Wait, hey, Erica, how much am I spending on travel?
When your questions about life turn into questions about money, there's Erica, the virtual financial assistant to help you spend, save, and plan smarter. Only from Bank of America. What would you like the power to do? Erica is only available in the English language. You must download the latest version of the mobile banking app, only available on select mobile devices. Your chat may be recorded and monitored for quality assurance. Message and data rates and additional terms may apply. Bank of America N.A., member FDIC.
You'll get into trouble one day.
I've just beaten the most powerful man around here. So who's gonna make trouble?
But you'll get into trouble.
When you find a deal on your favorite thing in the McDonald's app and order it, does that technically count as online shopping? Save money with the app. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
At participating McDonald's, prices may vary.
The government's so far ahead of everybody, it's so fucking crazy. Okay, so if we set, let's just do this. If we set the target to home and die, okay. If we reset the population, it's not on the grid engine, it's on the society level. If the population's not alive, we need to, on the society level, say reset. So then we need to define reset. No, we don't want to reset the genome. We want to repopulate and we want to set self-selected to none. Better have a grid.
You know, I envy you your leisurely life as a poet here. It must be
How
pleasant.
do you not have?
I sometimes envy you as a swordsman. It's an exciting life. Maybe. But I'm getting tired of this way of living, though.
Sure, I had flipped. Okay, GUI. Oh, that's pretty clever though. I am actually selecting the whole market. But we can just do name. Should be able to do that. None class would be none. Okay, so you have a selected one now. Let's save it because we are at a git commit good state to be in. Finally back to where we were two days ago. What I want to do is in the engine, if we select a unit, when we select a unit, This is spaghetti code. It really is. But if I can just get the reinforcement part learning, I can refactor it as I need to. We can improve this as we go along. I'm going to say for unit in set if then this way, we will just say select T, markets, homes, and agents. Look at that. And then we can just say log selected market. Selected home, selected market, great. Look at that, look at that. Then you don't have this code 3 times, you've only got it once, and you can just do simple logic. If we select a, if we select a type, we just pass in mouse coordinates, figure out where the mouse coordinate is, see if we got something there. We could convert this to an index and look at that spot as well. We could say index equals y. And then we can say if self.cells index So if we have an available one, we just exit. I mean, we could directly index all of them. But we can just see if the society has no cells. Good. So then we can say then we can just say self-selected, self-grid cells index. Now the only thing this might be a problem is if one moves, because they're no longer going to be at their index. Which is why we have to check the XY. I wonder if this is always true, like. It's hard to know because they keep respawning. I'm like, This could very easily be a game, dude. That's the crazy part about this. Let's just try to send him to a location. This may not work if a unit has moved to this location, but is not at this index. Gives us the ability to select a unit, a cell from the UI. It would be nice if we had a menu pop up, but I'm not building all that yet. Okay, so what we want to do for our society, grid update. Population is not live. We're going to update the grid. For agent and agents. If agent is dead, remove the agent. Select target. This is where we make all of the agents follow a single target. To do refine this or replace it in production with a per agent target. It already is, but we have to make sure, because our azimuth is a move direction. Our target's not a position. So let's look. We choose a random action.
Yoshimitsu collect.
So reward though is where it really send the agent. So calculate the reward between self and target. Let's see if we can replace. See, I think I wrote these in a way where a unit, a type, and a direction are almost interchangeable. This would not work in C at all. This works. They die really fast. Let's change it to 100. I think it was at 100. I'll change it to 250. Then grid. Let's just say we want to say self.selected. We're just going to pass in this selected to update. We're going to say selected. And then for agent and agent self, if agent's dead, we remove them and we continue. If selected is not none, then we say agent target equals selected. I don't know if that will work. I don't think that an agent has an XY function. But if not, we could get it. Let's just try to run it. It's gonna break. Yeah. let's go to the agent and give him an XY function. And let's literally copy the one out of reward. It's not in reward. It's in, where is that at? I can't go to it because it's like it's through an iterator, so it doesn't recognize the type. It's a unit type. It has to be. No, it's not. It's, state? Nope. It's, what is a target? I'm like all over the place. It's a move action. So XY is just a tuple. So an agent's XY, find XY would be XY, just like that. Oh, we gotta do it for all of them. How about we do it like this? We don't have to do it for all of them because we do it to one of them because they all inherit the unit type. That's why we did that inheritance. They're not actually moving to the target. is moving to Okay, so let's see. Agent type, if they are. Set a selected type. Determine if the agent. We need to update the way we call at the top level because I can tell this control flow is not right. So society updates. When society updates, the grid updates. And all of the society lives in the grid. Let's see if we can make them decide what's the best reward. They don't even have direction anymore, so when we go to calculate reward and there's no targeted, there's no direction anyway. Okay. Gotta close them all because it gets too hectic and crazy. So I need, when I select a target, agent's choosing a calculated decision. So for now, look ahead at the next best square in the Q table. It has to be 4 to move to ensure the target exists. Look ahead to the next best square based on the choice given from the Q table. We already doing the random walk up here. This has to be done before the no, it doesn't. That's wrong. Do we have choose calculated action? Don't we just step? For now, we're just gonna take a step. I think. If target is none, return all of the above 0. We gotta go here and get rid of this move action. I'm just gonna say none. Now we start peeling back the onion. Move action has no X, Y. Why are we still getting a move action? we just got rid of that function. Moving too fast. I'm about to get off here. We're gonna slow this down though. Frames per second value, we're gonna do it 10.